Hello everyone, welcome you all in lecture 33 on differentiation. In this lecture we will going to discuss on exercise 1.4 which is based on totally parametric function. Okay, so firstly find dy by dx is there and given to you x equal to 80 square and y equal to twice 80 is there. So here x and y are defined in the third variable, that is t. So here t is a parameter. So according to parametric form, your answer will be what? Dy by dx equal to simply dy by dt divided by what? Dx by dt. Okay. So here dy by dt is what? Twice a. T has the derivative 1. Okay. So twice a is there. Divided by dx by dt a as it is. And here t square की derivative आएगी यहाँ पे twice a. So twice 80 is there. So twice a get cancelled. So 1 upon t is there. Okay. Done. Answer. Then x equal to a cot theta and y equal to b cosec theta. So here parameter is theta. So that's why its answer is what? Dy by dx equal to simply dy by d theta divided by what? Dx by d theta is there. Done. So dy by d theta means what here? B cosec theta. So b is as it is and cosec theta has the derivative minus cosec theta into what? Cot theta is there. Into what? Cot theta is there. Done. And here a cot theta and cot theta is the derivative. A as it is there and cot theta की derivative आएगी minus cosec square theta. Minus what? Cosec square theta is there. Okay, done. So here negative get cancelled out. So b upon a is there. And here cosec theta will be cancelled. So remaining factor is what? Simply cot theta divided by cosec theta. Okay, so I think both have the same denominator because cot theta means होगा cos theta divided by sin theta and cosec theta is 1 upon sin theta. So sin theta get cancelled. So remaining answer is what? B upon a cos theta only. B upon a cos theta na? Cos theta upon sin theta 1 upon sin theta. So cos theta is only. Okay. Then here a variable is third variable is m here. Third variable is m here. So your answer is what? Dy by dx equal to dy by dm divided by what? Dx by dm. Okay. So dy by dm means log a square plus m square. So what is that? 1 upon a square plus m square into the derivative of a square plus m square. So a square is constant whose derivative is 0. So m square has the derivative twice m divided by dx by dm. Okay. So square root of a square plus m square, what is that? 1 upon 2 square root of a square plus m square. Okay. 1 upon 2 square root of a square plus m square because square root x की derivative 1 upon 2 square root of x. पर बाद में square plus m square की twice m once against this 2m get cancelled. Okay. So now here simply and under root a square plus m square is there and a square plus m square is there. Okay. So then what is the answer of this equation or this format? Simply please check the answer. You can write here 1 upon a square plus m square and this denominator get transferred to there. So 2 times a square plus m square is there. Okay. So a square plus m square get cancelled. Means you can write this a square plus m square as 2 times the square root of that. Okay. So square root get cancelled. So simply the remaining factor is there. 2 upon what? Square root of what? A square plus m square. Square root of a square plus m square. So in this way, simply write down the given structure for that firstly according to parametric form. Put in the derivative of that and if cancellation is there, so cancel that term particularly. Otherwise, write down the proper answer. Okay. So I hope you have clear how to deal with such type of examples. Okay. Okay, so let's move to our fourth example in that x equal to sine theta and y equal to tan theta is there. So as simple as that. Here parameter is theta. Please write for yourself this. Okay. Here once again x and y is given to you in terms of theta. Okay. So here theta is a parameter. Here theta is the parameter. So its answer is what? dy by dx equal to dy by d theta divided by what? dx by d theta. Okay. So dy by d theta. dy by d theta means what? B as it is. Okay. So here theta is the derivative 1 just like a single variable, that is x. X की derivative आप लेते हो 1. Just like that theta is the derivative 1 minus sin theta is the derivative what? Cos theta is there, divided by, okay, so dx by d theta, now it becomes a as it is there, and dx by d theta, so 1 as it is. Cos theta has the derivative minus sin theta, and negative is once again present there, so it becomes only plus sin theta. Okay, so now b upon a as it is there, so 1 minus cos theta as the formula you know very well, that is 2 sin square theta by 2. Okay, and sin theta is there, so what is that? 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 is there. So here 2 to get cancelled, sin theta by 2 sin theta by 2 to get cancelled. So in upper side there will be sin theta by 2, and in lower side there will be cos theta by 2. So sin for cos simply b by a tan theta by 2 is there. Okay, done. Move on to the next problem. जितना आप इजीली सॉल्व कर सकते हो, प्लीज ट्राई इट. Don't be skip that problem. Okay, then x equal to t plus 1 by t to the power is there, y equal to a to the power t plus 1 by 2. Okay, so here once again t is a parameter, so dy by d, and the condition is provided to you. Please clear that condition. A greater than 0 means in exponential form. Actually in exponential form a base is always greater than 0, base is not equal to 1. These two condition is specifically for exponential function, means specially for what? Base. It's a base condition in exponential form. Okay, and t is not equal to 0, because if you put t equal to 0, its answer is not defined. Okay, so that's why conditions आप समझ लो. बहुत से बच्चे कंडीशन को छोड़ देते हैं यहाँ पे, बट एक्चुअली कंडीशन के साथ जाओगे तो आपको ये प्रॉब्लम और इंटरेस्टिंग लगेंगे. क्यों कंडीशन ये ली है यहाँ पे? थोड़ा सा सोचो, क्यों कंडीशन आखिर वो देते हैं वहां पे. प्लीज ट्राई. ओके, सो dy by dx equal to what here? dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Okay, so dy by dt means what? This. Okay, a to the power t plus 1 by t is there, so simply a power x like that. So what is that? A power x into log a. Okay, a power x into log a, and the derivative of t plus 1 by t once again. So t has the derivative 1 minus 1 by t square. Okay, divided by, move on to the dx by dt. So dx by dt t plus 1 by t to the power n, means वेरिएबल के पावर में कांस्टेंट है, so कांस्टेंट आगे आता है. So a to the power a आगे आके t plus 1 by t to the power a minus 1 to the power a minus 1, and t plus 1 फिर से यहाँ पे t plus 1 by t की डेरिवेटिव y minus 1 by t square. Okay, इसका रफा दफा कर दो इसे 1 minus 1 by t square को. Okay, so now here a to the power t plus 1 by t. Okay, a to the power t plus 1 by t is there, so you can write simply y log n. Okay, divided by a t plus 1 by t to the power a. Okay, I can split these two terms, t plus 1 by t to the power a, and here t plus 1 by t to the power minus 1 to the power minus 1. Okay, once again please check that t plus 1 by t to the power a equal to x. You can write. Okay, so y log a, and this t plus 1 by t power minus 1 get transferred to above side, so that will be simply t plus 1 by t divided by a. Okay, and t plus 1 by t to the power a is what? X to the power what? X. Okay, so now you can simply cross multiply them, t square plus 1 divided by t, so you can write in the denominator. That's your final answer, which is available in your textbook. Okay, please check it. Okay, so please listen here carefully for example number 7. Okay, you can find out simply dy by dx, but here format is different because x equal to cos inverse 2t upon 1 plus t square is there. Okay, so means a simple differentiation is not there. but you can observe this particular term. So this is a substitution problem actually. But what is substitution? Please identify it. What is substitution? Actually ये form किसका है? Is it 2t upon 1 plus t square, just like that 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta? So definitely substitute, put t equal to tan theta. Okay, t equal to tan theta. Here also 1 plus t square, 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, so here once again put t equal to what? Tan theta. ओके, दो बार लिखने की जरूरत नहीं, एक बार भी लिखा तो भी चलेगा, दोनों कंसीडरेबल है. ओके, सो हियर x इक्वल टू व्हाट? cos इनवर्स 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta is there. Okay, so 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta, it's a formula for what? Sin 2 theta. If plus is there, then sin 2 theta, and if minus is there, it's what? Tan 2 theta. Okay, so cos inverse बाहर है, sin अंदर है, ये तो 9 साथ है. So sin is converted to cos simply just like that, cos pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Okay, so here cos inverse cos get cancelled now, so pi by 2 minus 2 theta is there, so minus 2 theta is there, so minus 2, and theta tan inverse t. Okay, so it's a tan inverse t. So dx by dt now, so dx by dt is what? Minus 2 upon 1 plus t square, because minus 2 is a constant term. Okay, here once again y equal to what? Sec inverse square root of 1 plus tan square theta. And what is the value of 1 plus tan square theta? Sec square theta. So square root के अंदर square है, तो simply get cancel sec theta. So theta once again tan inverse t. So this y, so dy by dt equal to 1 upon 1 plus t square. Okay, so what is dy by dx then? Simply dy by dt divided by what? Dx by dt. Okay, put in that this both the values and get the answer. Okay, so check that answer, what is that? Okay, next in 8, the same problem, actually the same problem is there, just like the 7th problem. Okay, what is that? X equal to cos inverse 4t cube minus 3t is there, and y equal to what? Simply tan inverse of square root of 1 minus t square divided by t. Okay, so generally substitution is same for both generally. Okay, here 4t cube minus 3t is there, so definitely this is a substitution form, just like that 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta is there, so you have to put there simply t equal to cos theta, and same is there 1 minus cos square theta, definitely आप sin square theta तो लिख लोगे वहां पे. Okay, so please try it for yourself. Okay, okay, so let's move on to example number 2. Once again a same problem is there, find dy by dx but at theta equal to pi by 6. means यहाँ पे आपको जो कुछ भी dy by dx निकालो वो किसी ना किसी आपको पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट पे डिफाइन करना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे. ओके, सो फर्स्टली तो dy by dx निकालना है, और यहाँ पे वेरिएबल क्या है? थीटा. ओके, सो dy by dx का फार्मूला क्या होगा आपका? dy by d theta divided by what? dx by d theta is there. So dy by d theta, so cot cube theta, सबसे पहले पावर क्या आएगी? 3 cot square theta into the derivative of cot theta is minus cosec square theta. पावर दिख रहा है, पावर की निकालो, देन फंक्शन की. ओके, सो देन dx by d theta cosec square theta once again 2 cosec theta is there into cosec theta की डेरिवेटिव minus cosec theta into cot theta. Okay, so please check the answer. This cosec theta and a cosec square theta get cancelled. This cot theta get cancelled, negative get cancelled. So 3 by 2 cot theta is there, but you have to find out. This is your dy by dx. Okay, but you have to find out that dy by dx at theta equal to pi by 6. Means dy by dx at theta equal to pi by 6. So 3 by 2 into cot pi by 6 is there. So 3 by 2 cot pi by 6 means cot 30 degree. Okay, that will be what? Root 3. So its answer is 3 root 3 by 2. Okay, तो इस तरह से ये आपको प्रॉब्लम सभी के सभी छुड़ाना है. डन. A second problem is x equal to a cos cube theta y equal to a sin cube theta at theta equal to pi by 3. Okay, so these all answer. Please try it for yourself, and if you have any doubt in